Hi there, in this video I want to tell you about the last fertilization of beets, which is a must if you want your beets to be sweet as honey and very juicy. A little over 2 weeks ago I fertilized the beets with ash, and look how good the result was. It was raining, the ash dissolved well and reached all the roots of the beets, and they started growing quickly. But now I'm going to help them some more and fertilize the beets with the following fertilizers. First, to make them grow even larger, I will use potassium monophosphate, 2 teaspoons per 10 liters of water. This is a concentrated complex phosphorus and potassium fertilizer, and it contains about 52% phosphorus and 34% potassium. The phosphorus in this fertilizer will help to build up a large root system, and beets are a root crop, so they will increase in size, and the potassium in this fertilizer will protect beets from unfavorable conditions, thereby strengthening the plant and making it more resistant to diseases. And most importantly, potassium will help beets accumulate sugar. They will be very sweet and juicy. But for this fertilizer to be quickly absorbed by the beets and start working, you need to add 2 more teaspoons of magnesium sulfate. It contains sulfur and magnesium. Sulfur is involved in metabolic processes and is necessary for the plant to absorb nutrients, namely phosphorus and potassium. And magnesium is necessary for the normal process of photosynthesis. It is a part of chlorophyll, which in turn helps to convert nutrients under the influence of sunlight into available organic matter for the plant. These fertilizers dissolve very quickly in water, so we just mix them up and go to fertilize the beets. As I said in previous videos, it is imperative to water the beds in advance before each fertilization. I do this in the evening. The soil is saturated with moisture, and then the fertilizer reaches the roots very quickly and begins to be absorbed by the plant. And the consumption of this fertilizer is as follows. 10 liters should be poured over a maximum of 2 square meters of garden. And this is the last fertilization. Then we just water the beets, and around September, when the leaves start to turn yellow, we start harvesting them. And you can watch a video on my channel about how and what to feed other plants. There will also be many more useful videos this year, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in the next videos.